Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta of Maggi, full guide. Bring 2 liters of water to a rolling boil, add a tablespoon of salt, then stir in the Maggi pasta gently. Cook uncovered and stir occasionally to keep pieces separate. Taste for doneness a minute before the package time to achieve perfect texture. Drain well, reserving a 1/4 cup of cooking water to loosen the sauce if needed. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan and sauté minced garlic and onion until fragrant and translucent. Add the Maggi tastemaker or your preferred sauce, then combine with the drained pasta, tossing over low heat. If the sauce is too thick, splash in reserved cooking water to create a silky coating. Finish with a pat of butter for gloss and salt or chili flakes to taste for an extra kick. Toss in quick-cooked vegetables, canned corn, or shredded cooked chicken to bulk up the meal and add texture. Stir herbs like basil or parsley at the end to preserve their fresh aroma, and grate cheese over the top for a creamy finish. For leftovers, cool quickly and store in airtight containers to retain flavor. Reheat gently with a splash of water to revive the sauce and pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.